course, next we come back home. And as you know, of course, we expect to hear from the Minister of Health to update Gambians on the current situation of the coronavirus, because on daily basis during the week, the minister expected to update Gambians on the situation. Now, we'll go back to Banjul and speak to our reporter on the ground, Ibrahim Abba, to tell us what is the latest on the, of course, briefing today. Thank you very much, Ibrahim, again for joining us. Now, we expected, of course, the minister was expected to update the media about 30 minutes ago. What is the latest as we speak?
Yeah, until now, the schedule stands by it. That is the press conference, which from daily update from the Ministry of Health and Social Welfare is going to go ahead. The good news is the minister with his technical team are all indoors right now, trying to put heads together, which is the usual way for them before every press conference. So already the media is here, and we hope that they will come out soon to update us for the public to know what exactly is the situation of coronavirus in Banjul.
Well, like I said, of course, the briefing should have started 30 minutes ago. Another delay, should this insinuate any sort of a new case again today?
Yeah, so every press conference could bring something new. That is the usual news for the Ministry of Health and Social Welfare. And the technical team will always tell us that before they speak to the media, they need to consult one another. The health facilities are far apart. They need to look into the daily report and come up with one voice. And that voice could always be another case or the same for number that is so far confirmed. But as it stands now, any news from the ministry or anytime they speak to the press is either there is a new case or they just reinforce the call for social distancing and other precautionary measures that the Ministry of Health is domesticating from the World Health Organization as to means to prevent the further spread of the coronavirus in the Gambia. As you know, we have 4 cases, and it is easier to control the spread than fighting all over when the pandemic or the spread of the disease have gone further than 4.
There is still one probable case pending. What are we to expect today as we await to hear from the minister?
This will be the second time as test on coronavirus is subjected to another individual for a second time. You remember the second Bangladeshi who was tested initially, and the lab technician said, screening report said positive, but confirmatory report said negative. And the second test was subjected to the second test, which eventually said negative. So this is the same situation that is happening. Someone is tested and it is not clear, it's called probable, and it was inconclusive, and now the second test is awaited, which the minister said is improbable. So today's press conference will find out that the period for the waiting is over now, and we are either to be informed that it is positive or negative. So the Gambians are putting fingers across to see that the case that was probable for the past 24 hours will be negative today.
Our man on the ground, Ibrahim Abba, many thanks for the update. And of course, we hope to hook up with you sometime